Hi guys, today we have to install the Power Automate. We're going to desktop. Install the Power Automate download. That's what here we'll get a pen Power Automate install. Download the version of Power Automate. Version of the Power Automate desktop until the completion of Power Automate download. Actually, the current version file and build November 6. November 6 they released 2.62 version and the another version is coming up in mid December. See how many versions there is. They updated 61 and October 31st is 61. Okay. Locoscope variable local support we introduced. Version control now introduced out of the box. Multiple versions of flow. I think we have to see this. New operation settings of general console set. Repair functionality. Fine, you can go through the what are the versions, what the new features are. For videos we can upload the new features. We have to know about what is the current version of the desktop cloud. I think the Power Automate is going to download. See, already we know videos. We have a lot of videos about the Power Automate. A video I created like how to install. Like it's not clear on that to install. That's why in this video I'm not want to show like step by step to create and Power Automate. Okay, and I make 365 apps, customers, versioning apps, Copilot Studio, 4 apps, prevent. So let's just we have to click on open file. Windows, no control J. I just then double click. I think it is loading. It's okay. Download PDF. Oh, all this everything will be downloaded in a version. Okay, this content everything will be good. showing like installation successful. Looking like it's not installed. Again, we click on step. Want to learn this Power Automate, how to create a stuff flow connectors. Everything will be in Power Automate documentation. From desktop flows. Trigger from cloud flows. Now trigger. Two step when clicking desktop flow. This everything will be Windows. Install. For Automate Power Automate desktop, for Power Automate, we have to complete the certification of the PL500. PL500 is the certification of that. That's it. I think we have to click on install, then Power Automate installation will come. Then we already know the Power Automate. That's it, guys, for the video how to install Power Automate. We have to go to the website and click on the link. Great. We'll see the next videos, other technologies. Thank you. Bye bye.